how to install and use two Outlook apps on iPhone. So if you want to install and use two Outlook apps on your iPhone, then first make sure to update your Outlook application. Once you update it, you need to open up your App Store, and under App Store, you need to search for Copy App. Once you search for Copy App, now here you will have the dual accounts or multi-social application. So tap on Get, which is on the right side, and you need to download or install the application. Once you've installed, simply tap on Open and open the dual accounts application. Once you open, go with the plus icon, which is on the upper right, and then scroll down, and here you will get all of the applications, right? So you just need to simply choose the Outlook application, go with the tick, which is on the upper right, and you can add a name to it. You can simply add Outlook and then tap on Submit, and that's it. You will have two Outlook apps on your iPhone. So that's how you can install and use two Outlook apps on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.